Next question on the binomial homework. Question 7. What is n in this question? 10. That's correct. What is p in this question? 1/5. In part 1, what is the value of r? 0. Okay. So you can either go to your tables, or you could go to the formulae and work it through that way. Doesn't really matter. So the answer, I just quoted it here from the tables, and this one is 0.1074. Okay, give yourself 2 marks for that. Give yourself 2 marks for these, so if you don't get the answer right, but there's some working out, you can claim a method mark. Part 2, less than 2 will fail. Less than 2 is 0 or 1, so you could either do it 0 or 1 added up, or if you use the tables, remember the tables are less than or equal to tables, not just less than tables. So less than 2 is the same as less than or equal to 1. So you need to find the 1 row in the tables, and then you get your answer. Or you could have just added up the probability for 0 and added up the probability for 1. You would have got the same answer. Part 3, exactly 2 will fail. Well, you can either use the formula or you can use the tables. If you're using the tables, exactly 2 is less than or equal to 2, take away less than or equal to 1. Get those numbers from the tables, do your taking away, get an answer, 0.302 for another 2 marks. The final bit, more than 2 will fail. More than 2 will fail. What is the best thing to do with a more than question? Laura?
Take the probability of x is less than or equal to 2.
Yeah, do 1 minus the opposite thing. The opposite of more than 2 is less than or equal to 2, so do exactly what Laura said. Do 1 minus the probability that's less than or equal to 2. You know what less than or 2 is, and you know what 2 is here. So if you add those together, you will get less than or equal to 2, then you can just take that away from 1. Okay? So, or you can just take that less than a 2 number straight from the tables, whichever way you do it. So 2 marks are there. That finishes that question. So there are 8 marks there for question 7.